Aura. It's the personalization for me. You literally click on the site. You tell them exactly what you want. The color, the products, the fragrance, the strength of the fragrance. If you want it in the toner, the shampoo. Well, hello party people. My Aura has arrived. It's an e-salon go-to, okay? They let you add pigments in your mask, your shampoo, your conditioner. It's a temporary color that you can embrace before you make it permanent. Like, you could do fantasy, you could do regular, the classic. It's awesome. I'm excited. So my Aurora arrived, and this is my unboxing. I'm excited because the way I formulated my look is unlike any other because I personally customized it to my liking. So you go on their website and you literally, my Aura arrived. It's customized to my exact liking. Do you see the personalization? Flawless Jessamine Ritual. And it says, welcome to the endless possibilities of beauty. Now you all know I am a queen of beauty, and this has really touched my heart. So us girls know at any day, any moment, we could change our mind. Do you see that they have details as in what is in each of my shampoo, my conditioner? This has the pigmented mask, coconut oil, shea oil, the babusu oil. That softens and adds shines while maintaining a youthful finish and rich colors. This is the one and only company that did it first for the personalizations of putting pigments in your conditioners, your mask, your toner. It's up to you how you want it. If you want it rich, if you want it just slightly, if you have to, it's up to you. They give you the decision. How amazing. Go get your monthly box supply and change the colors up. Let's have fun this summer. Just to give you a rundown of what I personally created, my goals were for repair, high, enhanced curls, medium, high, smooth, medium. My pigmented conditioner, repair, high, enhanced curls. It's light blonde, you guys. I'm thinking about, yes. I am so excited to unveil. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. This is the conditioner. This is the shampoo. Gloves. Look what it's called, you guys. Flawless Fantasies. It's personalized by me. Okay. Flawless. Flawless Fantasy shampoo. Okay. Flawless Fantasy shampoo. Flawless Fantasy conditioner. Flawless Fantasy hair mask. Personalized specially by me. By none other. E-Salon Aura. Go and get your box. Month.